Laureus supports our program, our basketball Twin Fist Sports School program for almost 4 years. And this is the reason why I'm here, to share my knowledge and to share what I do with other organizations and people from all over the world.
The highlight for me is the networking. I think just meeting people and meeting them in a meaningful way and really just getting to know them better and to know about what they do better.
And Coach, you're working with kids. What does the Clarity Zone represent?
To get their feedback from time to time helps us to improve the project. And when we talk about leadership and when we talk about other subjects we are facing with, well, we get lots of information and lots of ideas how to manage our program better.
Laureus has been great for us. To a large extent, our organization is what it is today because of Laureus.
We are using sports as a tool to bring people together.
Through initiatives like this and role model retreats, they have really helped us strengthen and build our organization.
I hope to be part of this for many, many years and to share the work we do with as much organization that we can do.